Hey, what's up, folks? I'm bringing back the Q&A in video format. Haven't done this in quite a while. So this is from a viewer named Matthew McCullum. And any suggestions for HDR10 plus videos? I've been watching the new season of The Expanse, and it's so damn juddery and has serious ghosting effect in a lot of scenes. Okay, Okay, have a preloaded video here. So to improve the motion, you want to use motion enhancement and you want to use off preferably because you want to play things in which the film director is intended to. Now, if you're still experiencing bad motion, judder, or stutter, up top there's something called Judder Reduction. If you reduce that to 3, and you leave blur reduction at 0, that's a good base that you can start off with in order to see a clear difference. Now I'm going to pause it here, and it's the reason why I have this set up this way so I can get my thoughts out. With judder reduction, what you have to realize is that the higher you go up above 3, the more you're going to be introduced to what's called the soap opera effect. Um, yes, in your eyes or in many others' eyes, it's motion enhancement. It can improve motion, but you start to get diminishing returns. When you turn the setting up too much, you're going to start getting motion artifacting. Um, Everything is going to look more unnatural. It's going to look fake, and things are just not going to be sequenced correctly because it's really not meant to be played this way. However, that's why it's called custom. You can custom tailor the experience to yourself and what you like. So, judder reduction is important. So, I will play with that and I will just experiment, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. So, I'm going to jump to another part of the video. Now, the reason why you are seeing stutter or judder in motion is because you're probably not playing things at their proper refresh rate. This is an image of something called Emby. It is a client slash server and it has enable refresh rate switching built in. Now, judging from your comment, you didn't tell me whether or not you was using an external device or if you was watching the TV series on the internal app. I believe the TV show that you mentioned is the Amazon Prime original. Don't quote me on that. And most of these streaming applications does not have a built-in refresh rate function to where it's playing back at the refresh rate that it was rendered in natively, versus you playing 24 frames per second on a 60 hertz panel or a 120 hertz panel. You're going to experience some issues. Playing it back natively, enabling refresh rate switching, and there's more players that does this. Jellyfin, Emby, Plex, even Kodi for that matter. Kodi does it also, and those are just a few examples that are out there. There are other players. I'm just telling you some of the examples that I've actually used, tested, and proven that actually works and sticks. Okay, so if you're watching on the Hisense directly, there's a frame rate app in the Google Play Store, but that's completely trash. It hasn't been updated in years and it is outdated. Your best bet is to email me and we can set up a one-on-one so I can show you how to play this back natively and correctly. Now, I'm giving you the options here on video, but if you want more information, all you have to do is email me. Okay, we're going to bring up the ghosting demo. So you mentioned ghosting in your comment. So what you're going to do on the Hisense U8G, go down to settings, go down to device preferences, and you're gonna scroll down until you see something called About, and you want to go to System Update. So don't click on Check for Update. I'm gonna pause the video here. Don't click here. Once you're at this menu and once you have Check for Update highlighted, you want to press the up arrow on your remote 4 times. So it's going to show here, and you're going to get this pop-up about a component upgrade. This is to smooth the motion and fix any of the issues that you are experiencing with your panel. I could provide some further details of this down in the description. But basically, you will perform this update, and it's supposed to clean some things up. Now, this is not a end all be all. This isn't a permanent fix. However, it is a fix that is out there, and you can definitely try it out and see if it's meant for you. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you have any further questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Peace out.